So we're using this nice dark green just in the foreground to bring it closer. And now this has dried here. Looks a lot nicer now actually. I'm wondering whether to leave it like that. No, we'll make it a little bit darker. This could be one of my mistakes here, but we'll see. Nice dark green. You get to know the shapes, during the picture. The reason I want it darker is because I want it, I want this arch to stand out when I take the masking off. It's a little bit inside there as well, thinking about it. Well, we've got this dark green, we can just emphasise that a little bit more. For that counterpoint when we do this wheelbarrow. Right, so I'm quite happy, I think. What I'm just going to do is dry this brush off. Make sure it's totally dry. And just scumble that a little bit so it doesn't dry that silly harsh edge again and it blends in. I think that's about right. Okay, now I'm going to just add blue and red, a little bit darker than I did before, for that path colour, because that path disappears up there in shadow apart from right at the very beginning there. So we'll get that in now, and also there and around here. I think we'll probably darken that up again later. A little bit of shadow on the path there and underneath these. Right, so it's drying time again, but before I go, actually, this green now is at a stage that I can add more darker green to. So it's nice chunky. It's hardly moving on the plate. Just add a few little flicks. So every time we visit it, we make a little bit more of an adjustment to the contrast. We're getting to the point now where it's almost time to take the masking fluid off, and reevaluate everything. because that's when you get an idea of how everything looks. So I'm going to let it dry again now, and I think we will take the masking off and finish off. So I'll see you soon.